Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So today I'm going to tell you uh, how I make resume from Canva using all along Canva. And the exciting thing is I use Canva basic one. I don't use the Canva paid version. So let's get into the video. So basically resume making is very easy, not a difficult thing. So you don't need to be worried about it. Let's get into the video and I will tell you how you can make your resume very effective and the eye-catching. And yeah, I will show you the tricks and the techniques you should know about while you are making your resume. So let's move on to the video. So basically my internet is little slow today, but that's okay. uh, it takes a little bit of the extra time and I'm very sorry because I know your time is precious, but sorry it's not working. Oops, you should work, Canva, you should work. So I guess we should not wait. Oops, it's finally happening. So when Canva is open, you will see this kind of a interface in front of you. So you're not going underneath there and anywhere. So as you can see, this button here, you just need to click on it, and when you click on it you will see the third option. It's a resume making. So you have to click on that, and I'm going to delete the previous thing because I don't want any interruption while I'm making the things. So first thing I want to tell you is your resume should be one page. um, I know a lot of people have a lot of experience in their lives, but you have to fit your experiences in that one particular page. If you have resume more than one or two pages, more than one pages I guess, so it's not gonna work for you. So you have to make one page CV or resume so that you will get um, the chances to be more shorted. So the companies will shortlist most of the CVs which contains only one page. So if you are a teacher, so you have to select teaching. As you can see, there are a lot of resume in here about teachers. If you are a coach, you have to search for a coach. If you work in the office, you have to search anything. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates, free templates you can use in here. And you can see the pictures. When you look at the pictures, they are very professional, they are looking very professional. So this resume is catching my eyes. So from there you can enlarge the size of your page as well, and you can drag it here to here as well. So yeah, as you can see, here is a picture of that girl. So you can um, place your pictures in here as well. I am going to do it in the very end. For example, oops, sorry, adjust it as the way it was. So for example, my name is Aisha, Your name should start from capital Aisha Omar. Alright, from here you can adjust your name as well. So yeah, I'm going to adjust it, and from here you can move the position of your name as well. So if you are any teacher or any coach or anyone, you have to write it here. For example, I am the data analyst. I'm going to write data analyst so that whenever someone will look into your resume, it will understand that you are a data analyst or you are anything. So yeah, you just have to um, write it here like I am pro in Canva graphic designing, so you can add your skills in here. So what you have to do is you have to uh, select and delete, and you have to write it here your skills. All right, so yeah, so you are going to write everything about your skills and everything in here. So if you have more than 4 or 5, so you can, as you can see, it's already bullet selected. So when you click on it, I'm going to show you, the next bullet automatically comes in front of you. All right, so this is the education thing. If you want to remove these things, you can remove, and if you don't want to remove and suddenly it happens, you have to just undo it. As you can see, it will be back. Yeah, so you can add your sorry, you can add your education in here, but what I am going to tell you is you have to write your education underneath your uh, experience. You have to write your experience first, and you have to write your education in the end of your resume. So I'm going to select all the things in group, and why I'm doing this, because if I don't group them, I just move the single thing. All right, but I'm not going, I don't want to move the single thing, I want to move the whole thing. So I'm going to select everything and group them as I've done earlier, and I already grouped them as well. So I am going to change the positions of the things. Alright, so now I am ungrouping them because I don't want to group them anymore. I just did it for the movement of the things. So your experiences should be in the first, and your education will be in the second, the last one. All right, so you have to just write it here, your education and your work experiences, and make sure when you tell anyone, when you tell anyone so when you as you can see, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you are writing something like I am a senior manager design, you have to bold it. Alright, senior graphic designer, you have to bold it. And this lady is doing very much, this lady is doing very great, because it is, he is telling about little bit of her experiences, that what she has done in that time period when she was senior graphic designer. So you have to tell a little bit about her um, experience. You are just not going to write something like I'm a senior graphic designer, I'm a senior graphic designer. So you just don't need to write it, only write the title of your job. You just have to uh, inform in front of the person that you have done this thing, and not too much. You just need to write a little bit of it. All right. And yeah, so experience kind of thing is done. As you can see, I have messed some things, so I'm not going to change the position of this one here. I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to undo this. Simple 2 clicks and it will come back as the way it was. So yeah, you have to just write it here um, about yourself a very little bit, like what kind of a person you are, and your work methods and everything. So as you can see, there is a phone number and there is an email address and there is a website of someone if you have, and you don't need to add your proper address. You just need to add your city and your country, so that it will get the idea that from where you are looking. So where are you living right now? So yeah, this was the first method. And yeah, last thing I want to tell you is, like for example, this picture, I don't want that picture in here, so I'm going into the uploads, and we should wait a little bit because I want to add something. For example, this picture I'm taking right now, I'm deleting the previous picture because I don't want it. So I am doing it. I am increasing the size of it and I am adjusting her. Alright, as you can see, you can also uh, change the picture of that particular person. For example, you don't want to add this kind of pictures, you can add your pictures as well. You can remove someone picture and enter into your picture. So yeah, this is the method which I have used in my CV as well. So as you can see, there are another methods, a lot of CVs right here you can choose. And for example, if I choose this one, and you can see this is a very good picture. Very good picture of her. I like her. So yeah, she's also a graphic designer. There are a lot of graphic designers right here because world is very competitive and very full of graphic designers. Yeah, another this one. This is very, yeah, add as a new page. This is very interesting. She is using the stickers. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm gonna use it in my CV next time. So as you can see, she is using, oops, sorry, it's loading. So let's talk about another thing while it's loading. So you have to write your resume of one page. Write your thing first. I'm going to bold it, alright, so that it will catch the eye of someone. So yeah, Actually, that resume was very good and very eye-catching. I want that. Yeah, this one. I want to tell you something, guys. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, you can see. Now I will show you how it's working. As you can see, she is using social media, and she's having a social media skill, copywriting, and she's using the stickers. Oh my god, she's very pretty as well. And yeah, she's a very good. I like her, and I like her resume as well. So yeah, basically it was the very easy and efficient method. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what next you wanted to learn from me. And another method of making resume from Word, I will show you in my next video. Alright, thank you, bye.